Hey everybody, it's Eddie from Tokyo, and this is a follow-up video from earlier today. So I had mentioned that there is a very excited new partner of Ripple by the name of Euro Exim Bank, and I got some very interesting comments that I thought I should address. People were asking, hey Eddie, is this bank really for real? I heard it's not a real bank. Well, let me tell you that banks come in all shapes and sizes. Not everybody is like SBI Holdings or Wells Fargo. There are some banks that have a very specialized niche, and this is one of them. They specialize in KYC and compliance documents all the way to the payment, settlement, and reconciliation phase. They function as a place to provide irrefutable binding records for their clients. So you can see here that Euro Exim Bank is an international financial institution serving import and export businesses around the globe, facilitating trade finance instructions. And the bank assists companies to fulfill their trade aspirations through financial instruments issuance and relay via correspondent institutions. Okay, and the typical client of this particular bank is mainly based in an active export markets of China, India, UAE, Africa, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam, and they are sending goods all over the globe, transacting such diverse products as ethically sourced frozen foods, used cars, scrap metal, fruit, rice, grains, nuts, garments, sewing machines, plastic piping, plumbing accessories, and ceramic, among others. So that gives you an idea. And keep in mind, this is a private bank. Now, private banks, you really don't see the balance sheet. I'm just telling you that whatever you see out there isn't like what you see in a publicly held company where the shareholders demand to see all of the accounting down to the penny. Private banks are much more opaque. They are not as transparent. So whatever you see out there, I'm not sure that's exactly what the real story is. Now, Euro Exim Bank holds a Class A international banking license from Financial Services Regulatory Authority, the FSRA, of St. Lucia. That is in the Caribbean. They are part of the Caribbean Members Bank, and this license provides authorization to conduct business with third parties across industries and geographies worldwide, exercising due diligence, full compliance, and operational excellence in their process. And if we take a look at an older Sibos exhibitors list, you can see here that they did indeed attend Sibos at Toronto, I believe it was. They sent a 7-member group to man their booth, and here you can see them on the list. And if we take a look at the Swift at Sibos pictures that occurred in Toronto, you can come down here in the group shots and we can see Euro Exim Bank where they sign for the KYC left to right, Guy Shepherd with Swift, and there is Sanjay Thakar with Euro Exim and Graham Bright. Now, Graham Bright is the person who was quoted in the recent announcement that they are going to be a new Ripple partner and they are excited to use XRP as the digital asset. And when we take a look at Graham Bright's bio, you can see here that he's a very much experienced and technically proficient in the industry and has financial services and system vendors background. His extensive career over 35 years, including 20 years at Swift. I'm so happy to see that, because anytime we get somebody who is using Ripple and XRP previously working for Swift has a very good understanding of the value that Ripple and XRP bring. And if you want, you can go online and find their Trailblazer newsletter, and it'll let you know lots of things that they have released, including here is when they unveiled their newest product, which is a Prestige Plus savings and current account through the mobile banking app, and that app became available just a couple of months ago. And when we also take a look at the what is this? The Global Trade Review in Dubai, Mr. Bright was one of the speakers. So he is somebody that is looked at as one of the experts in the industry. Here, when we come down here, I will find you his name in a moment. I'm sorry, I'm taking so long. It's my eyes start going cross-eyed when I move so fast. Graham Bright. Where are you, Graham? I went right to you before, and now I'm having a little trouble finding his name here. But I will do it because I never give up. Graham Bright, where are you? Okay, you know what we need to do here? We need to save everybody. There we are. Graham Bright, Head Compliance and Operations at Euro Exim Bank. Sorry about that, everybody. And one of the other things that I thought was very good in just doing, this is just all quick research. I actually have to go and be somewhere in an hour and a half, but I thought I would do this really quick because I wanted to put to rest any questions that this bank was for real or not. Here we have the Capital Finance International, and they awarded the Euro Exim Bank the Best Global Trade Services Bank of 2018. So when we go to today's video that was released from Euro Exim Bank in their 51 seconds of announcing that they are part of the Ripple technology now and excited to use the XRP. I stand behind that. I think they are very excited to be more efficient and bring down the cost. And surely they will be successful. And this is just going to be one of many banks that are in different shapes and sizes that use the technology and the digital asset XRP. Okay, everybody, I thought that was quite important, and I hope that you got something out of it. Thanks so much. Sayonara for now. Bye-bye.